You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this car model by Korean car manufacturer Hyundai. Hyundai is how it is said in Korean, not Hyundai or Hyundai, but Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai Elantra. And now you know. More videos here to learn more correct pronunciations that many get wrong. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.